I received a new package from Floral with some of their best-selling products. Let's test everything. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products. In today's video, I'm going to test new makeup products from Floral, and I'm going to create this makeup look with my new makeup products. So, if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I'm very excited for today's video because I'll be testing out some new makeup products from Floral. They sent me a PR package with some of their best-selling items, and I'll be applying everything on camera to show you how it looks and give you my honest opinions. I received these products in PR, but I'll give you my honest opinion about everything. Also, Floral is currently having a Black Friday sale, which runs until December 2nd. So, if you see anything you like, now might be a great time to grab it. Now, let's dive in and see what I received. This is not my first PR package from Floral, so I am familiar with their products. Not only that, the makeup products look gorgeous, the packaging is stunning, but the makeup products are also very good. In this box, I received some of their best-selling items, so let's see how they are. First up is this Floral Swan Ballet series paddle hairbrush. These paddle brushes by Floral are very good. I already have one paddle brush from the Midsummer Fairytales collection, and that paddle brush is gorgeous. I don't know what to say about this style, but I'm excited to have it. Next I have the Floral Little Angel collection hand mirror. This is interesting. I already have these two hand mirrors from Floral. I have this one from the Midsummer Fairytales collection and this one from the Cloud Color collection. And these are very cute. I use this a lot in my videos. They are pretty lightweight, good quality, and very cute. So I'm very excited to have this one too. I'm going to use this one today, but just so you know, they have more options if you want to buy something like this. I also got this, another very cute hair clip. Why not? Let's keep it on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I received another brush. I love their brushes. I have the Floral Midsummer Fairytales collection blush brush in a white vanilla. This is how the packaging looks. I already have two brushes from Floral, these two. These brushes are very soft and I love the shape of them. I love to use one for blush and one for bronzer. These are angled brushes and it's very easy to apply the blush and the bronzer with these brushes. So I'm so excited to have another brush from Floral. I have to quickly mention that I already have my foundation, concealer and my powder on, but I'll list what I used down below. Now let's dive into the makeup. I received two blushes. I have the Floral Little Angel collection cream blush in number 3 and the Floral Butterfly Cloud Color collection rouge box highlighting and blush duo powder in number 1. This is how the packaging looks. This is Floral Little Angel collection cream blush in the shade Paradise Poet. This is very creamy. This is a gorgeous blush color. I don't think I have something like this in my collection, so I'm very excited to have it. I already have powder on, but I really want to see how this looks on the skin, so let's try it. This is how my skin looks with and without this blush on. I definitely have to test this blush before I apply my powder because it looks a little bit weird in some areas. But for now, I have to say that I love the color. The formula is buildable. The blush is not scented. I don't think this is working on top of powders, but I'll definitely use it again before my powders and I'll keep you updated. Now, let's try this blush. This Flower Nose Butterfly Cloud Color Collection Rouge Box Highlighting and Blush Duo Powder in number 1. I already have this blush, but not in this color. So this is how the packaging looks. This is the most gorgeous packaging for a blush. I already have 2 of these, but not in this color. I have it in number 2 and this one, but I don't have the name on this one, but I'll list it down below. This is in number 2. I also have this one, and now I have this one in number 1. I do have a first impression video for these 2 blushes, and as a little update since that first impression video, I have to say that I love these blushes. Not only the packaging is gorgeous, but also the formula is very good and long lasting. So if you want to buy something very pretty for someone, I would recommend you to start with these blushes because the packaging is just out of this world and they are also very good. Now, let's see how is this blush. First, I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Very nice creamy formula. I like it. Now let's try it. I'm going to start with this color first. Now this one. This is more pigmented than this one. Now I'm going to mix these 2 together. And this is how this blush in the shade 1, Rouge Snow, looks on my skin on this side. Very nice formula of these blushes. If you have large pores, you will love these blushes because they blur the pores. Where I have the blush on, I don't see my pores if I look up close. It has a blurring effect on the skin that I love. So I already know these blushes and I'm very happy that I have a new color to add to my collection. Next I have this eyeshadow palette. I received this Flower Nose Strawberry Rocco series 5-color eyeshadow palette. This is how the packaging looks. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And this is the color story. First, I'm going to swatch everything on the back of my hand. This feels very soft. Now, the last color. Oh, this one is messy. The color story is very pretty. The formula is very nice. These are creamy, buttery and soft. So let's do something with this palette. I want to match the two sides, so I'm going to take this cream blush and apply it on this side too. Now this one on this side. Now I think it's okay. I'm going to start with this one first. Oh, this is pigmented. Now this one. A very nice buildable formula. I like it. Now I'm going to use this closer to my lash line. This color is very messy. I'm covered in eyeshadow right now. I'm going to take again this brush. Now let's try this shimmer. I'm going to apply this one on this side. Both of these two shimmers are gorgeous. I don't know which one I like more, so I'm going to mix this on my eyes. I never get my eyeliner even, so we will let it like this for today. Now a little bit of this on the inner corners. This palette is very pretty if you want to do something like what I already have on my eyes right now. But if you want to do something else, I don't think you will have many options. This color is very pretty, but it's very messy. These two colors are very good. Creamy, easy to blend, and also the shimmers are gorgeous. The glitter is not chunky. It's soft and very pretty. For now I like this palette, but I recommend you to grab this eyeshadow palette if you like the color story and if you feel like you'll use it a lot. But I would love to know your guys' opinion, so let me know down below what do you think. Let me know if you like this palette and if you like my eye makeup. Next, I'm going to test a brown mascara. I received the Flower Nose Butterfly Cloud Color Collection mascara in brown. I already have this mascara by Flower Nose, but in black. I have it right here. And this mascara is my favorite mascara right now. It is waterproof and my lashes look amazing with this on. So today I'm going to test it in brown. I've never tried a brown mascara before. I'm curious and very excited. So let's try it. I'm going to apply it on this side first. This is how the wand looks. This wand is also very easy to use. It grabs every single one of my lashes. Now on the bottom lashes too. I don't like to apply mascara on my bottom lashes because my lashes are very long and I get mascara on my under eyes. But I'll try to apply it for you guys. And these are my lashes with and without this brown mascara on. I'm going to quickly apply it on this side too and I'll be right back. Mascara is on. I'll forever love a mascara in black, but this one in brown is also really nice. I think it will be very pretty for everyday makeup. So I like it, but I'll use this more and I'll keep you updated. And the last three products I received are these three lipsticks. I have the Flower Nose Strawberry Rocco Series Glowy Lip Gloss in Strawberry Macaron. I've already received this one before from Flower Nose. I have it right here. So I will not open this one, I will gift it to my family. I've used it many times in my videos. I love the color, I love the finish, it's not sticky, and it's very comfortable on the lips. But I received two, I haven't tried it before, so I'm going to try this next. I have the Flower Nose A Little Angel Collection Matte Lipstick. I already have this lipstick, but not in this color, so let's try it. I love this color. You can use this without a lip liner, which is amazing. The formula is very thin. I feel like I have nothing on my lips. It's not sticky, it's very comfortable. It's not a long-lasting lipstick, but lasts a long time on my lips. I already have this lipstick in other colors, in 6, 7, 8, and 9. And my favorites are C06 and C07. And now I also love this color. And the last product I received, this Flower Nose Butterfly Cloud Color Collection Glossy Lipstick in the shade Sandalwood. This smells amazing. The color is interesting. I don't have anything in my collection like this. I'm going to keep what I already have on my lips right now because I really love the color, and I'm going to apply this on top. This is not sticky, very comfortable, and smells amazing. But I don't think the eye makeup goes very well with what I already have on my lips, so I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to use this again in C05. And that's everything. This is the finished makeup result. I like my makeup, I like what I already have on right now, but let me know down below what you think about the finished makeup result. I have to say that I like everything I've tried today. Out of everything I've received today, this paddle brush is my least favorite. I don't really like the design of this one. Looks kind of cheap and it feels kind of cheap, but everything else I like. I love the lipstick, the color is very pretty. I love the blushes, I love my new mirror. But if I have to recommend you one out of everything I have, I'll recommend you these two. These two are gorgeous in real life. The Flower Nose Black Friday sale is running right now through December 2nd. So if anything caught your eye, now it's a great time to check it out. But guys, let me know, have you tried Flower Nose makeup products? Let me know if you like them, and also let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video is helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!